Hi everyone, I'm in the shower and I'm going to show you today a wonderful kit that I received from Hush and Hush. Hush and Hush is a supplement company that also has one of their best rated as Deeply Rooted, which is a hair enhancing product, okay? Well, now what they do also have is a shampoo and a conditioner, as well as a growth serum for the hair. So I'm just going to show you the consistency of these, and I'm going to be using it. To be honest with you, I have seen growth, and even my colorist has noticed that I do have growth. Now, I've also been taking the supplements for about 6 to 7 months, and it's taken that long to see results, but I'm seeing results. So I'm excited about this. So I've been using these now for about a week. So I'm going to show you the consistency of the shampoo. It's very nice. They don't need a lot. So here's the shampoo. Okay. There's the consistency of the shampoo. I'm going to run it through my hair. Now, I'm going to just put some here, put some in the back, and add some water to it, and get these curls washed up. I'll be right back. It suds up beautifully. It smells like, I want to say citrusy. It's not overwhelming. And yeah, I like the scent. So, and I did add a little bit more because, like most curly girls, I don't wash my hair but every 5 days. So, I just want to make sure I get my scalp real good. And so, I'll be back. Next is the conditioner. And I'm going to put some on there. I don't know about you guys, but I always use more conditioner than I use shampoo. And in this conditioner, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are these little blue beads. Oops, I'm about to drop it. And it says to put it from root. Usually conditioner goes from, ends to root. Well, this wants you to do it from root to head, to ends, because it has these beads, and these beads break apart, and it has the growth factor, the growth serum built into it. So I'm going to massage this in, okay, and then I'm going to take it to the ends, and it says to leave it on for 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so the mask has been on, or the conditioner's been on for 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it out, rinse it out. And I will be back to you when I put on the serum. Now this might upset some people, but normally, since I only wash my hair every 5, sometimes 7 days, let's be honest, I usually get a huge pile of hair. This is all I've gotten for actually today's 6 days. That's all, okay? At one point my husband was wondering if I was okay prior to this. So it's good news, the hair is not falling out. Okay, so I'm out of the shower. My hair is soaking wet. My hair feels really nice and soft from the conditioner. Now I'm going to add to my roots this Deeply Rooted hair serum. Now I do this daily at night before I go to bed. And I take a full syringe full. And where I'm concentrated where my hair is really lacking, which is right here in the front and the crown. Now, I usually want to make sure I get the full syringe amount. Now, what I do is when my hair is freshly cleaned, I massage it in, okay? So I do this before I put all my styling products in. During the week, when I haven't washed my hair, what I do is I use my massager just to go in there so I'm not really messing up my hair and the curls, but I am massaging in the product into my scalp. By the way, this was really inexpensive. I don't know where I bought it. I can tag it below when I find out. And this is how I massage this stuff in. So I really do think that this product is working. Again, in combination with the vitamins. And I've also been using their skin vitamins, their skin capsules. I don't remember which ones they are. But anyway, the skin capsules. And together with this, the and the pills, the Deeply Rooted pills, I take 4 of those a day. I really do see a difference. So thank you, Hush and Hush, and I appreciate you sending me this, and I continue to use it. Thank you.